Welcome to this space. Allow. Breathe in nice and slow and allow your greatest and highest good. Allowing what no longer serves, allowing what no longer aligns, allowing these spaces, these programs, these belief structures, these old ways of behaving that are no longer in alignment with your highest good. They no longer align with who you are in this now. Allow them to go. Allow yourself to release these spaces of you to be alchemized by your light, your wisdom, your inner knowing, your I am within. You may experience a sensation in your stomach, your solar plexus. This is you healing you. You clearing you. Just allow. Breathe. You are surrounded by love. You are surrounded by holy light. This light is here in this now for humanity, to assist humanity as it rises and remembers who it is. Just allow the space. Iana saweya taniana takawa, tono tukoweya, iana sawawakeya. Iana sawa kea nana ne iana sawa nana e iana sawa tea ke iana kaua kea ane iana sawa tea. Your soul hears me. Listen with your heart and lean into you. Allow. Yana taua kea nawa, seya, ia saoa nea. You may feel emotion, you may feel release. Just allow. You are safe and you are loved. Allow. Aktane yana oa kea. Aktane yana oa kea. Asaoa eya. Asaoa eya. Just allow your heart to open. Allow your heart to release and clear. Allow the throat to open. Allow the throat to release and clear. You are in the higher space of you. You are shedding, releasing, dropping spaces of densities, negative energies, connective points of behaviors, programs, belief structures that no longer align for you. Let them go. Allow them to be cleared through love. Allow. You can say within your being, I let it go. Tene iana sawa. Tene iana sawa kea. Tanana ua yeya. Tanana ua yeya. Kia sawa kea. Kia sawa kea. Breathe. And allow. Beautiful, beautiful. Just allow the space, the release, you clearing, releasing these spaces of the throat, of the heart, of the being that no longer serve, and your inner knowing, your third eye, your being within you, yes, your I am, your wholeness, expanding, aligning, remembering. You are remembering you. Yes, you are remembering you. DNA within your being right now. DNA within your being right now, expanding, opening, activating, coming online in the truth of your wholeness and all that is and ever has been. You, divine holy you, remembering you, aligning you, coming back to you. Unending blessings upon you, divine and holy one.